Welcome back to Beautyistic. You've probably heard a lot about retinoids, especially when it comes to their anti-aging benefits. But what if there was a product that combined that powerhouse ingredient with nourishing oils and brightening agents to help you achieve smoother, more radiant skin overnight? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now Beauty's Midnight Concentrated Retinoid Restorative Face Oil. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, dark spots, or dryness, this oil promises to tackle it all while offering an extra boost of hydration. So let's see if it really lives up to the hype. Now Beauty's Midnight Concentrated Retinoid Restorative Face Oil is a versatile product designed to rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. This 1-ounce travel-size bottle combines retinol with avocado oil, lavender oil, and a retinoid to target multiple skin concerns. The idea is to smooth, plump, and hydrate your skin with additional benefits like reducing fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and dullness. It's vegan, sulfate-free, and paraben-free, which makes it suitable for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin. After incorporating this into my evening routine for a couple of weeks, I was eager to see the results. First, the texture of the oil is light but rich. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling hydrated without any greasy residue. The scent is subtle, with a hint of lavender that's not overpowering, which makes it quite soothing before bed. I applied a few drops onto cleansed skin, and I could immediately feel how nourishing the oil was. Let's talk about performance. Over time, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin's texture. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth appeared softer, and my complexion seemed more even. There was also a noticeable plumpness to my skin in the morning, which is a great sign that it was well hydrated overnight. If you've struggled with dark spots or discoloration, I think you'll appreciate how the lavender oil works to even out the skin tone. It's a gentle, natural approach to brightening that complements the more active retinol and retinoid combination. The dual-action anti-aging formula is definitely something to consider if you're looking for a more complete skincare solution. However, a couple of things to keep in mind. If you have sensitive skin, it's important to start slowly with this product. While it's formulated to be gentle, retinol can still cause irritation, especially if you're not used to it. I did experience some dryness and mild peeling in the first few days of use, but this settled down as my skin adjusted. Also, while the oil is hydrating, I would recommend pairing it with an additional moisturizer for extra moisture during the winter months when your skin might need that added layer of protection. Pros-wise, I have to give credit to its fast absorption rate and how it left my skin feeling smooth and nourished. The packaging is travel-friendly, which makes it easy to take with you on the go. Plus, the fact that it's free from parabens and sulfates is always a win, especially for those with more sensitive skin. On the flip side, the price point might be a little steep for those who are looking for a budget-friendly option. If you're just beginning your anti-aging skincare journey, this could be a worthwhile investment. But if you're someone who's already using multiple active ingredients in your routine, you might want to consider whether this is the best addition to your regimen. As for value, given the combination of high-quality ingredients like avocado oil, lavender oil, and retinol, the product does offer good value for money. The bottle is small, but you only need a few drops, so it should last a while. In terms of comparisons, there are other retinoid oils on the market, such as those from The Ordinary which are also known for their affordability and effective results. But if you're looking for something that brings in a moisturizing element like avocado oil and offers the added benefit of lavender's calming and brightening effects, Now Beauty's oil stands out as a more luxurious option. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The dropper makes it easy to dispense the right amount of product without making a mess. It's sturdy, and the 1-ounce size is a great option for travel or for those who want to try out the product before committing to a larger size. The longevity of the oil is solid as well. My skin felt hydrated and plump well into the next morning, so it definitely delivers on its promise of overnight skincare. If you're new to retinol, or if you have sensitive skin, I would recommend starting slow with this oil, maybe using it every other night at first to give your skin time to adjust. And while I didn't personally experience any issues with customer service, Now Beauty has a solid reputation for providing good support, so you can rest easy if you ever need assistance. Now, if you're on the hunt for something that delivers similar benefits, but at a lower price point, brands like The Ordinary or CeraVe have solid options that are a bit more wallet-friendly. Still, I do think Now Beauty's Midnight Concentrated Retinoid Face Oil offers a unique blend of ingredients that justify the price if you're seeking a luxurious, all-in-one nighttime treatment. So is this oil worth it? I would say yes, especially if you're looking to address multiple skin concerns at once, from aging to dullness to uneven skin tone. It's ideal for someone looking for a gentle, yet effective retinol option that can work on all skin types without overwhelming the skin. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.